Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a unique accessory that will enhance your tabletop gaming experience, the Fallout, the Roleplaying Game Perk Cards. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these perk cards? Well, they're a fantastic addition to your Fallout tabletop RPG experience, bringing the rich lore and unique characteristics of the Fallout universe directly to your gaming table. Each card represents a specific perk that players can utilize during their adventures in the post-apocalyptic wasteland, allowing for greater character customization and strategy. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of these perk cards. First and foremost, the artwork is beautifully designed, capturing the essence of the Fallout aesthetic. Each card is not only functional but also visually appealing, making them a joy to use. The set includes a variety of perks that can enhance your character's abilities, from combat skills to survival tactics. This means players can truly tailor their characters to fit their preferred playstyle, whether they're a stealthy sniper or a charismatic leader. These perk cards are perfect for anyone who loves role-playing games, especially fans of the Fallout franchise. If you've enjoyed the video games or the lore behind this iconic series, these cards will bring that same excitement to your tabletop sessions. They're suitable for both seasoned players and newcomers, as they add an extra layer of depth to character development without overwhelming those who are just starting out. In terms of practical use, these cards are very versatile. Imagine sitting around the table with friends, and as you embark on your next quest through the irradiated wasteland, you draw a card that gives you an edge in a tense encounter. Whether you're trying to negotiate with a band of raiders or scavenge for supplies in a ruined city, having these perks at your disposal can make all the difference. Plus, they enhance the overall narrative experience, encouraging players to think creatively about how to utilize their perks in various situations. Remember, to use these perk cards, you will need the Fallout Tabletop Role-Playing Game Core Rulebook, as they are designed to complement the existing mechanics of the game.